tukachuri thirikari ritumira mbeca na ikino ntu thirikari Kenya kwanza gitonya yaragia irenda utumira mbeca ki productive sectors.
Yes.
Mbiji buthi kana marito jabo kamuno ntu na TV.
Yes, nema.
Ugabo batukwenda ukaraja thirikari rengi barenda ku spend mbeca ki productive sectors zire ikomba kukuria economic na tumbo kureta utonga na tutege kuromba ugite bo mantu ja kuromba
bate
kando
ya thira jeo
baugarande bo na tutorerenya Biblia basi ndongi muno chotwira ati mtu kinchiara chao batu kubatigira marando batu kubatigira but otagara atutega this budget this budget areas zira ba spend in fact aiji tone the highest expenditure ki security than any other time ije karandi ora tuiteteja kama mtu abatu na askari and it is far much bigger than spending ire kuretoke healthcare.
Haja katu itetendwe.
Ija katu itetendwe. Tijeke dai 2027 ora babangite, but those are not, that's not a productive sector at all. To ataga two sectors which are very important na ile mwananchi wa kawaida aterete kuona nonto kithomo ndo taitomba kuga kithomo ikikuri danto into more poverty tukinyani ngot period ije mbere nya budget ethomo kuinja mbeti kugura mite kenda ana bachoka school nonti bengi
imagine
ukona so bareta bakendagia utonga wao kenda bathomithia ana so muriko juu gatorera muchiari kana mwananchi ukubongera disposable income no thirikari batikutakikagia mbeca kenda antu batigwa na mbeca cha kuendelea kuthithia utonga tiba ndio utonga bravo na bobe kiana school ndo ke budget bathomete capitation secondary school kenda yomba kwa absolutely free per student but with 22,000 thirikari ke budget eje na 15,000 kwa urando kuna deficit 7,000 per student na baraba free primary by secondary there are 1.1 million learners so here it's a whole deficit in and other areas. Healthcare kaiji no to wekero ke WhatsApp group cha mtu na ajitwe na kudithirwa ngambi kwa hiyo tutaita WhatsApp group na bado mtu pa contributor contributory insurance system ndiguro na yonde utino chomba ku deliver universal healthcare kinya German took 100 years ke through contributory system na batomba mukara kwa thirikari ongwa ke spend becha kithera I healthcare requirement that sector nije kene so those are two areas thirikari ongwa ku spend na kuongera ntu becha na ajandi now where does this money come from no to take to ko ya ato unfair to the government but kento kambere everyone loves the government anto bedere padura thirikari kenda ibateithia like this government was a very popular government no to utomba ku anto batenda thirikari for 1-2 years anto bene imani no burumo ngabaja kuona ai bote bakagota no to by expected thirikari ka batore mirigo but thirikari tekiongera mirigo otaga our tax generation gakinya projection era baenyo yakinya around projected around 3.5 but ona tumete kutira twakinya these projections konya deficit era tukuga tu enyo 1.1 trillion it is more no we are not able to collect if this economy will not perform ile maanisha antu batona mbecha na batona mbecha chokorea thirikari now point kwa ni ati where will the money come from to people with high levels of unemployment this economy will not do very well na thirikari ke tax measures ira ithithite irenda kuinya zaidi. So they will create a lot of enforcement na regulations. But there are ways to get money nonto njira mbere mbeche ikura kindi kuruisha yetu corruption. Kuigento control of budget aretete wengwa in this period ameta budgeted corruption. Ikonyania tuga turenda kuithia barabara na around kita tugite kile 100 billion ikethirwa akui 30% mbeche u chitita barabarani chigeta kire mbio. So in short, what the government should do never to tighten na kuongera austerity measures. And it's very unfortunate that when this budget was being read, the head of state Riziara around 17 countries. Sija karanda kotik all the countries that are traveled na control of budget that we treat another report. Kwenye State House has overspent its budgetary allocation. And it is the first
Arangire babu bwe mwikira kana bwe mutagia kwamba na ite tourist lakini tika tourist it's a matter of kutethia ndiguru na kurepresent Kenyan mukenya arakunde awita areta nontu wa maendeleo na kuburetera maendeleo na mbecha nkuruki. But
ndiguru we have diplomats na kila tukuria there is leadership by example. President William Ruto na aretija mingi muno akiuga atire to reduce government spending. Rera batu tukongerwa bei ya maguta nontu bothi nerereo. What contribution is government doing kunyia unnecessary expenditure? Nontu itomba kwithira murigo jwa nthiguru jwa tigiro ake mukenya through taxation. Thirikari ne batu gututorera murigo jojo nyaju through efficiency na kutora unnecessary expenditure. That's where I think money should come from.
Okay. Bona miungi ukiotegera kiri CS rira rakia na ugire teka bongerete taxes like orantu bakuthwania lakini lengo yo pakaria thirikari ku expand revenue nini chio akomikisho bakona mo mani rather than kuongera antu taxes ingi njeru ila tikomba kwithire kimbadani antu nkuruki. But do you think no ngutikia very sure no methomete na no mekurukirite na no kumenya ore kuga, do you think really ote taxes yanto bongeri?
Ibwega cheupe mbere uni rungamia baba ntegete barenda mbaria mantu akithomo bakwenda kuiwa budget ya kithomo nuntu nande
ukaria
my friend ya economist ya economist
no kinyego ekwimbejete kiyo
niyo kwenda kuyira nande niyo kwenda kuyira mbuga watega njira nyingi thirikari niuge tiongera ete kuongera tax lakini ni njira ya kuongera tax nyingi sana muntu wandiki wonse mana ande wandiki thirikari antweze yake wata musara 100% agwata 48% ya mbese ile andiki pesa ingi chonde yetagi tax pay as you want housing levy ucho thema ukagutana yambo ucho thema mtu andiki atigarete na 48% no band hit especially misale tenganene no atega ntu babe na misale minene batigita baba bege baba bera misale mbekai na thokona ndukene baletai o imwe ndukene baleto imwe tutena ndeja levy ya maguta maguta ataitiri ukayoteka sauce na maguta tokwero inji tuji ukathinga tabwega ma inji tu individual na ekariuna nde mtona individual tutumenya no no na faindera nene na kembesere jira ikejita no tupa every liter kembesere ikitigara no tupa utonya kiri ugoti mbese tutegwi kunyenya no tunji that means that together be tukinya igwa na no my brother kugwetha kauga fuero heitia interview nde tukwira bikagitate and I want to look at the contradiction fuero gwitia itobi gwitia economy and twengirwe kugitate is news David now watega una ndi mwananchi kawaida na kwithia kinya igwa na tu kawaida ake ndira tu let us look at industries yetu yitha ikiandika antu ndike cheupe ketha no kumenyana ndi most of our industries kazi ambirite kuguta antu no tukaigwita hasara watega na ndu baba baandikia yukagwa na ndi tukarinduce antu bakarinduce tukari by reduce no ntu mwai nontu factory kana industry etio make faida ira gitata ira make that means na ndejera ira isi ne kugitata ni kuguta ntu thirikari wataga mibango ya kwandika na mbere ndona ngo iye itangazi gazetini itangazi gazetini uziona nandi kanya kangu gakeja kuoneka ija kakethera kiura wade mtu atonga njakwe nukandikwa haja nukandikwa yani competitive ngugena ndi tema ya competition kuna nore wijikene na kyo brother gweta manto corruption corruption twambitara na rutere rwa gwitia mbesa kirutero rumwe kija gikwandika na ndikwa tonya roto corruption na kenda wandikwa no mwaka wire kwi mtu wiji tu ro thomete ka certificate ya kwithongi muno ketha no certificate thongi tugona ndi interview ya thithwa tugatega mtura mwega lakini kinywa tega nara kwina twanya tu twega sana wene kwa number 1 number 2 number 3 watothura ro number 1 wathura ro kwamba kwina rwimbo rwaku watuka nominated so cheupe ankwire out wetirite nandi things are not checked wataka siringi Kenya nandi miaka 5 ilio urende compare na siringi ndene East Africa ya Uganda waitha urende gwita Uganda una mbezi ya kwa milioni wetha we ni milioni anale lakini uketaka nandi ni ali I think kagita kana ali 35 shillings shilingi imwe Kenya lakini nandi ni around 20 something wategero ni ate ukwira ningi ndari ngite no batwiria shilingi eno ni agire bali nandete ya twagitata tira twa mithungu thaira na ni agire bali yari bali kagita ka uhuru na ata kora kali ya chenjio rimwe so tukwikuona nandikire siasa my friend yugire siasa mbaya maisha mbaya na kinya siasa mbaya economy mbaya mo inara ya bure bwega nyetha utabujuka no tugo we professor wa siasa lakini yamuka utote kalikana nande so cheupe kwenda kuga tugeta kuga uguribo titetie uria maguta yaitia ria maguta yaitia iteye into pionde kinyaro na chiro raiti kinyaro na chiro raiti maguta yangitia so akwenda kuga nande without going into net great details mwananchi wakawinda agetha mbere kuinyirwa
okay wakili mbere titro moki manto ya maguta no ntungu kwa geta manto maguta mono itukona maguta ize na milioni na 22 cents na diesel na yana mona 10 shillings ewe tuko mini ni thingi mwananchi
mbere mara rera bambirire gwitithia maguta baitithire almost na 40 shillings
yes
pendekana I think 10 taiba kuonekana another 10 still
diesel
maguta ya mikiro na 22 cents
and maguta now I would understand nekiba kuoneka diesel further which is a good thing the diesel ni consumer in our factories na all other sectors ili kudida manufacturing ni tumerokia our power production so diesel ekianama ina ripple effect ya kuinama but as a country yora mbugira kairiza si live a lie nonto kirago toma maguta jotiomba kuinama na jatinama nonto yora mbugira we live beyond our means ki fuel levy ile maguta already nitumiri ki securitization koromba mbecha so no matter how much tuga teta tukiuga tuitira levies tuitira federal levy tuitira taxes ila chikirete kidrikari itiomba gwito no already ititumere as a security ya koromba mbecha so every money that we collect on the fuel ita kure amarando so that levy kinyato gatindo teta tukugate already ne rombere mbecha and this is the effect of ilato kugate utura beyond your means onto rewe na appetite that appetite ya ntiko megeda ne ku develop kana ne kuya onto nyale bechi korombo tutikwa na effect ya chike ike trickle down kire economy kwenda gwena ripple effect so durante bakyuga be na mbecha wando project tucho kwa thirikari kithithia na ndio no kuigwa mbecha ni rombi na mbecha ni rombi na ndi maguta jatina so nyato walinga itumana whatever tukuga nini tuketha tutikwira na uma thirikari kauanga whatever they can do now, maybe they do a subsidy. Now you remember our current president a campaign ugire a subsidy. He cannot subsidize anything. Naina different thoughts and different way of thinking and handling it. But now kinyaki biashara jora bwana Miungi kuga yuko biashara NG to G na NG to individual. Then watengera ndekoro yetu full of lies twinde tuliali orongo tumto kwenda kwironge uma thirikari nije kriare manzara jale didetie but bandu balenda kwitara bakiongaira ya taxi sina ndio kuona tukwarire nyaki budget bakaguga bati taxite. You know, it's irony yagoro monono ntu what they did nora wananchi batije betere ba mendi individual laws na regulations. Kada regulations je land regulations baka mendi ile tija ke the finance bill na tindra ke budget ba mendi sheria independent. For example, ya title deed dai ile 500 dai watakora ndia ile 2500
from 500
yes
2000 digo
yes kimbe cha registration ingi chira ilo community chongeri from I think 1000 to 3500 beche jira che amendment rero kugitanga muda wako chongeri na ndabu.
My goodness, inaja nteja kuruka irwe nonto.
You know, now that one tells you the quality of the leaders. What are doing about in parliament? Nonto, because they're in bend na government, beta sheria ikeja na njira nyuma. So yeta tukuganga budget yetu ongerete mbecha. In every sector, ilo ndilani. Ndikuwa for example newe miunda na sector ingi, betre pa regulations iria pongera mbecha no. So the budget koshuka kuti na budget bakuga bati ongerete mbecha. But at the end of the 2 weeks ago inyogeterara those circulars are out chakona ni mbecha lipuliwa. But now it is ke budget ke finance bill bwambira kulinga gituma. So we see a government ile tukumba ite ku care about mwananchi wa kawaida. Be leaders baraba dhulero nabo paleta intojabu bya kuruka then ukachura what kind of leaders do we have. Nonto uwelera we na aro batikidra wete taira mwananchi wa kawaida. Dai taxes chojulere Kenya baraba employed. And dai inyago transact kimanto jamu it's almost impossible. Nonto it has doubled in the cost ero tumaira imeko double nengi chige triple.
God have mercy. Padari kitukeja kire 1.1 trillion yeze kuirwa kethre ikirombo nara kana nyo baina deficit tayari tukonera andu ria twina rio ria nthiguru yetu kenyire kinyite around 12.8 trillion sorry na irandu rio ngorete kurika rio tayari ritikurika still mwaka jo itutete kuromba mbeche ingi 1.1 tuongere kadhali gurwe kadhali na mbeche ji kororiro ni baba kare mbeche ji because now wananchi ibanogi tayari na kethani mantu ya taxi tukugira utegintu gitikiri tax kinya kimwe i pesa tena itatoka wapi because imbi ingi gekirwa mbeche hizi mwanga mbeche gutwiki kuonekana na chumba kurira ndu ria antu bakorea
wow nde no kira kia we will not leave any debt tutitigerantu irando
yes
oro ugere urande irando riumbere 8.8 trillion tongere terando na 400 trillion in the last 4 years na berenchokia ngotikanire no a lot of hidden taxes through regulations ili tukoija kire finance bill kwencha ora mingwe kugarura shu kinya certificate chemera no ichira ne marande onto betara ara go ro services ulu pasente no baka chemene nae
no baka chemene na taxi no na ndo tengo datu bagurana na nyunda ba
very bako innovative and bongerete bagota bakiongera marandu don't to budget iji the statement we are living beyond our means ioma na mbugire living within beyond means ici tino ntuku maendeleo ya kudeliver mono ngira tukuthithia analysis cha budget yetu ya Kenya na budget cha East African nations gatega Rwanda. These budgets are read around the same time. Okay, there are budget Kenya 2 times budget chepa Tanzania and almost even 3 times Rwanda. But kwe yarande to toko now better analysis and to tagarande figures. Yes, figures don't lie. Yarande to make the budget size.
Yes.
Does size matter? Size here too. Our budget is like 3 times area, but what is it delivering to the value of citizens? Okay, there are human development index. Yani bechiri kuguna mtu kibinafsi, kethera illiteracy levels, health outcomes. Yani budget yetu ire nene uju. Ete kuomba kureta for 3 times better outcomes. Kire mtu kurukie barabara Rwanda. Oka realize budget ire nini Rwanda, it is delivering much value. Yani kile mwananchi. Mwananchi atenyerete kithomo, atenyerete ke healthcare,
na kuthithirwa njira,
na kuthithirwa njira, environment clean, all that. And this situation is not about to change. Kio kiuria kia debt. Nonturande nontutu ina randu reringi o mwaka. Brenya tuthithia anything else budget yero ne 4.8. Turerwa all another 1 trillion and something ya mbere marandu. Kou becha ira chirita kuthomithia na betu kukonia capitation chitengana nontu lazima turembio irando ukona lakini nontu tukuga atiri that this situation that it is impossible kenda tutekaire mutikiria that itwatonyire randoni na tutekaroma irandoni situation ni dila kwanyo ore ombo kudili ne wengwa we mtu kiumbe ochindira we na marando na randi wona becha ukarema kurira na fee ukayeta kurira marandu but you can get out of that debt and now to get a contribution imetajaire to reach area 2 ways from revenue side ikuthurani ya becha and thirikari ite kwenda gutumira the other side na mbugire ora tugutumira becha ici in terms of expenditure irenda akikwethia ora ukara marandu iuni mukenya na becha ici tintethetie nokona ente kwenda kuija randu ringi twina rwaja remiru remewasi tukwira turi marandu ndene bile mewasi na utesi wijire ediretu
yare sewage
and that is duplicating everywhere. Government has borrowed money and it is not delivering the services. Nto ikethirwa itwarombera marandu ntigwetu mbecha cha school. Then I'm comfortable. Ikethirwa itukwirwa tore tax in the tax bitaye na aro ndajwa tekon kariwani universal healthcare. Kutem together na because marandu is the order that other even governments have done kuthithia maendeleo. Okay, that most developed countries kinya tax to GDP ka tax kiwango kira per capita. Mtu tayari nyare wa 100% ari nya 60% kithirikari. Iwingi atiki na chocha gweta kwana migira kino tukora na area. Baba cha support ka tikiti bangi ngugi Arsenal na Man U. Bara matora stadium nyama ande tu no to mango gene matina kingia kuthithia. They have 40% rabo botiko no na leisure istare
no tsiangia kitani
no kona na on bwanje de support them to wasanii mono na artist tutukumba kona ntwa kututhikira na batore agantu
no to
bathina ambe cheche kuija concert no kona and then all the money thirikari is spending money back to debt na ile chikwiro chiritu mna keep development chitukuthithia maendeleo tugatigwa tutera kinya maendeleo na na twena marando
and the top it's all no kuona chair wa budget atandi na kuichumiria kimwingi na akawa tukiendelea kuromba mbeta ku develop Kenya then which Kenya we developing yokia kuthira uti value mbeta ile tukuona chitumika uti mbeta no uti value kinya mbeta ile kwirikana ichijo kitu.
You know that the biggest challenge that we know came to job area wategera our GDP na budget yetu they are not in tandem kana itigwetanirie nikio kuona ndeguru ja Rwanda because budget yao nyethera is a third yetu ya Kenya wa compare na their GDP kwa tuika bo iba prioritize what matters to them wategera ndeguru ja Burkina Faso dai ba prioritize kule marandu jara bandit free in Kenya to actually what are we doing towards that direction non to a lot of natural resources chetu ila tuinachio as a country ila tuomba go exploit together this self reliant tukomika na marandu jara because lera we nerandu at all times mandu ya tola ya kuchumbuleta na ya kuchoketa even as an individual.
Very true.
So Kenya government yetu is already choked lakini budget ye tutrona ine austerity measures ira bathithiti cha kuonania iba kwenda ku reduce irandulire all things that ira bathithiti ni kuongera the tax base na kuongera kuromba marando tutirona ine specific ni nyatu ku manufacturing chain nya mining na mbi ira tumba gutumira ku empower economy kenda gutwika itukumba kule marando jara without using the resources that we collect. Na the more tukaendelea kuthithio the more our country kaendelea gusink ndo nande our natural resources ira twina cio tu export law tugeta tukojulia iron ore merine nambi igeta chumira tukija kuendelea cio tukendelea triple the price whereas turetho atuna factory yetu manufacturing kaja chumira ketho niku manufacturer ndaga cio tichi kuona ngugea then even the savings na whatever comes from this even in export to come back to reduce marando jara but now the government they capitalize it I think na budget ire to kuga budget and corruption kuga security ne yongeri mbechi ira nyingi inobe kitambechi cha ira bakwenda kubanga kwenye campaign yacho let us be honest there is no other reason there is no other reason kwamba kwithira bekirite security not Kenya we are not in war.
Yes.
Na ito kinyandu muru kira atandi akuria ikitha twakinya Singapore twetana njira yetu ititere twakinya Singapore akiuga twendelea kuromba in fact
no atandi ndo tukiendelea kuromba tutaendelea kuromba mpaka tu develop Kenya
onitaka nkona atiri limwe atongeria betu bai ntu kwero tumya kiugo tutamu ka one time anje betaga bakona batithira baiku na nyaba umaku batikira bangi bathina na ndiri ndontikea kirabo kya kini ura muntu akagwato tonga ba misueros au mara nyaba bangi baya kwathana atu makethira ethe abakaroba mandu ka baturomba ne una ndi ndontikea ati tiuni nontu generations yetu yaga tonye muntu ukuthuganiria Kenya bwega no kaigwa kiniro akinyirwa my brother kwaria bwega makatuga turuke na ndi uwe na undi we are individuals ketho tinya irwa ni randu ketho utigagwo kinyirwa ni randu we ne randu na ndi utimakoke we mutongeria jo na ndama tugetakira tubaye marandu ja individual batiraga muntu no manka wa mbiri ayo yunja
Charity begins at home.
Charity begins at home. Iketha mtu wate kuinyirwi kurera ndu rande gura reta mbere gukoba areta mbere gukoba nande mwana ichoka inda na yakuchuria atiri marandu ye ni kwirwa ndi endo ya tumikire ntije na mwana ichoka inda na bwiri kwirwa atiri twirombe randu ra 1 trillion kenda tuthithia njira na
But
ya nandi ndagasa akwera kwetha ndagasa ya Navy itweragwo ni romberi mbesa 7 billion tuteigwa kwambire kwayo na ye mwisho kabisa kaira tukaigwa kuromba mbesa ingi jai je kwa kandagasa na 7 billion turi kurombwa ni romberi ndagasa
ni kwa kiro to nyumba toko Tokomeria ngugi. Does it mean that maybe don't care attitude ukugira no jithiro ni area because okay akolelia antoto the solution to chwa mathina site no to olelekera ni parastatos ira turaratio I'm very sure nitetera thirikari mbeca lakini iretaika yes weja kethera ni mantu ja kieni yaki ya Atalanta kio the most expensive stadium around wati mbeca ira kira kieni kira gicio kiritu na interest ira mbeca ira kuri wacio kinyana betu ana betu bageze barire mbeca iu at the same time wategera no kuona mbeca hizi irera wacia housing levy ndirona bakiro bena plan cha kuyukia 100 million tia bajukirie rando na the same money which means antu bara regerete maybe after 2 years or 3 years mbete cietu tureke kugitwa ke mushara joto maybe nyumba ira tirungamira ciongwa utirebo kareka kugitwa na kinya antu batonya bangia bara bakwa twatonya tugaita mbeca ure bakomba guita mbeca iu atia ukia kudritia yukiwe rando ready na no mwanka buri rando riu rikombe kakuritwa like did it pay slip cianto is it possible?
You know this government iratu eneo itina haja na mwananchi wa kawaida na bila ndina kia surprised muno ki president wetu ntolera alinga campaign kwisoroga ni mwatu maira muno atura kuga when you find yourself in a stop digging you know statement ira tumairarira kwarira mantu ya marando
Yes.
And I think nenjite marinya jangi nya tano tigo wirire mwe auga stop digging kenjite marinya jangi onto nande once you ukinyete level ya kumbolo ukaromba marando na inya nambe chiro karo correct nyambe chira anticipated kugita kia housing levy watu ikabando no agwitumira as a security ya kuromba marando.
Yes.
Then you realize then the gurira tu eneo imuntu tu doganira futuristic ya the guru ya tu egetate ndo nyomba ira already mwichi ujuli na ntiba kwa rokete na nyomba ira ta yeja na modeli
Antiba otonya mbeca.
anto abagura so why is it that nyomba ira chiakiro anto bagiti mbeja chiao nyomba ira gaikwendwa mbeja ira ikwendwa ire ndu igitana
Question.
nontu
nyomba uti affordable.
The big because in fact don't ever kiuga for you to own a 1-bedroom house no mwanga with around 600,000 or 700,000 kenda umba ko na 1-bedroom house ni antu bangana baraba era wani wananchi baraba ande buruba ko kera nyumba ipa ko bakure ya 700,000 kenda una 1-bedroom house.
In fact, it is not affordable in two senses. Bere, iri ni antu bate karotumira.
Yes.
So collectively, kwa kanyomba yu, nyomba yu chigaramie to tayari.
Exactly.
In fact, Concha Dai, they have even more money than the houses they are developing. Na kushiria yu wetu komba kwetekiria. Na kutraikiria there are allegations that even there are some monies being used to go kathoko ici.
Yes.
Kino thukugwa president. Ari jarungie rangara kwa ike soko ya Kianjai. Nilikopewa milioni hii, nimeona hiyo itoshi.
Nimeongezea.
Nimeamua ikue 300 billion. Yani meana assess president wetu na kumenya wa assess re. BQ na maedho. Alitaka kaona thoko hizi no hebu haraka sana.
Lakini thoko hii wakwa ri I don't thoko hii ntuko wa World Bank kwithire ne loan.
you know apart
Most
from
of them and you go to be wa pain sana kia housing levy na muntu ro andiki sana tu tiga a lot of pain no ntu igitwa nyomba my brother aliwa na afford it is no longer affordable oro kugitwa nyomba ya gitwe utira karona nyomba na muntu kawaida na ationa hii na ationa nyomba number 2 kithaka ki nyomba yaki
Kethirikari.
ike mwingi utiro muntu wa karona thibitisho kwa nyomba ene yakwa ni aku keka waku thirikari ngi jomba kuyo karongo kuno to title deed te teku
Yes.
na ndi kwina mathuya mengi sana tukujuria nyomba eri ni au nyomba iji thambe sigitenya kiri antu bakai Okajuria.
batere kuthirwa muntu bara bakuewa nyumba bakienya free of charge nontu thirikari irite mbeca cia gwaka nyumba.
According to me, ketha kurwa na gwakwa nyumba ya kiu igwikitha kira in terms of rent. Thirikari ikirenti kiri copas leo turande wa nyumba ni ku turoka thibitisho nyumba ni ai ni yaku. Uturoka ro nyumba ni mtu ititie na ngoroba for example wakinandi akimuthetu na na title mtungi. First floor, second floor with you urero nyumba ni yaku. Ende utumba kwendia nyumba withe ate kuna ndo ya goromia ndia wenderia mtungi no tutina papers.
In fact, the question about Korea is priority. That whatever key gainers key economy, housing is one of the biggest gainers. Now, is that the priority? When I have analyzed housing projects in the entire world, they have all failed. In America, in housing projects, never bid rubber bomb. Until eventually they became dens of the most insecure drug barons. Now, I have seen reports in social media, but some of these housing already issues chia otheru kutena mtokumaria otheru roko kutena control kwa baba goja ba paki paka itithia pikipiki eguru ya nyomere eventually okay there
aina ile tajiona ni inayo lipita koni tajiona I think
tia mwandanto
ndi tira
ukurukire au
yojuli
itira ozora lakini
I think nyuki yojuli na some people wambire koewa but you know whatever the regime the housing program I think get well thought it is well thought it's a very important sector kirene economy but now what are implemented basically na DJ utukwalira mantu documents ila kwetha itena title am aware ibaete consortium na ndingi ngugi chikwija kugarura miundere yuma kuma public kenantu bara bomba kwewa the title deeds through the condominium act ira umba kwewa kanyomba gakwa ari uri ukaewa title eko kenda ba convert miundere public na ndije kwa private but now at what cost are we doing this from the miundere it in public but with a resource to be used by all of us kimanture jange jaraja kuhusikana na mwingi na tu na other nini properties kama teta bagula nyamyonda private because they have the money nonto tu kambe chiba konde vati ko balendo capitalize on myonde bedra bagaka kimyonde public why not buy a private land kedano gondo dia this housing no medidie kuma na ora nonto mbeche ile correct it's a lot of money na ile kuona bande vati tembeche iki mathoko jaraja gwakwa and then wategera kimathoko jaraja gwakwa na jwa chura kiuria nonto inyo ndimitega yela ko priorities in this sense for example just audimenti kwa tonarea nko na I think thoko idatu chia kwina thoko ya kama chege na I think kwina thoko ndarene na kwina iba waka mwichione thoko iba waka chirite chima nyomba kenda nto bomba kwenderia historically we know liwe itantu nara jana ndarene no bona benda ile njirene ekurubara na mambe to bara benda ile alo kabugo baite au baike thoko iro waka arona ndene batithamiro
barege
batita ibaregere then why are we doing white elephants project onto project icha kuthithia the structures ito waka nyingi muno nonto nyaki baki na thia kigitare awe ta stimulus economic stimulus program nyo yakira thoko era inkubo ira yakaburini thoko yo nyamo kathai itura mathina ja maingi muno tumba kwa itumba kwa
ante barege gwetana
into baregera gwetano nande tibengi bakwa iba waka thoko ara kama cheke my question is bechi chonde kila thirikari ni uthuganiria muntu na mwananchi kawaida why not use all this money then nyalora ndarene onto nyoe nyendi ko taratu ndeira marigo wakinya value addition
change yes factory that is what I've been saying
kenda gutwika onto agwa kanyomba ira na nyeti tumireka gwaka factory ĩrĩa ĩgateithia mwananchi, ĩrĩa ĩgateithia tuthithie value addition ya ntu betu, ĩgũ-create employment, ĩgũ-create that sector, na realistically gwatuĩka ikwambire kuleta mbeca mikono ya wananchi. Na ndio weta gwaka ma structures cha thoko kenda uga antu betu bakenda irio ku. Instead gũtuĩka ubakirite factory ĩrĩa gũtuĩka marigo jao inya bati gweta kwenja thoko ne aria barereta gi factory ikauma juice, ikauma sauce, nini whatever the value chain ile ikauma from it gwatuĩka ni enderete.
Number 2 kiri mathoko mbere tutiroma by the way kwikibwandikani because kiri kuroria biuria bia thoko na tukona gakoromo ni nyaje nyambiriti na ndi kuthuganirwo gwakwa itonete kenja ni nyambiriti gwakwa thoko ri yakwa cia ngoroba ijiri ngoroba ithatu gakoromone ndirari gakoromone last week na kiurikira antu bakuri bariuria uwe uritwa kira thoko ya ngoroba ithatu bamami betu barabara yara ukomba gwiti ngoroba ya ithatu na arakwenderia into nao nugu. Number 2, i-customer uri kugeje na rakati yawe kakwenda kuranga into byawe aitite ona kanya kawite mwange ngoroba ya ithatu kana ngoroba ya inya wita gutegera kintu kirakwenda no
kiure kiwe kuria tega makuta no no tunia kirwe ngoroba.
Yes.
Waite ngoroba ira chieguru the sales na bi nyemo checking go na whatever. Okona into bira benda ka fast moving chia bia thoko na bi. There is I think a system ura bati to amenyeria as Kenyans na bi ne tuyora na ara kuthitha na nya bara bakara thoko ni bejura bathitha yo. The moment you can change that perspective ira tu eno then it has to be very involving.
Yes.
But now we have other sectors ira tumbati go prioritize what we can to complement. Thoko ere kethera ni mberi na isawa na but anto bati kurerwa na whatever. Then it serves that purpose.
Yes.
Ongera factory area gwatuika inya no kurita conjection ya intobi. Intobira bingi ana ndi bikagoro anto bya kore aki intobira bingi byetera na rora bya diwa bya intobingi. Ja for exports na manto jangi. So although kuga it's lack of priority. Na kwethera twithite project that are not well thought. Uliokira tu nonto ukamenya waka nonde na kickback yakwa ya 30% mbecha irangekira aria unionjirera nkonanga mbecha so ka prioritize waka thoko onto ba mbecha irokona but utitegere tengen tukire na ndene muno wona gintu ki economic benefits yakyo kire ikareta kire the economy.
Okay, thank you so much. Bona mingi kata chokera na ndio kwa rairia mantajege kithomo itukuro kithomo ki around 784.5 billion ere capitation ere kethwe gita machukuru icho itonere ugo kiaria no rauga primary schools tembecha bongeri na nimo tembecha tiongeri kire primary schools but then ure umwe wa atongeri kire kia makianate na ngwenu kuthetera arimu na arimu bana bono baba kondini na rito bana kinya machukuru jo no baba kwitha bakurukira manteja. Why do you think a budget ikathithu ya nojo then tweje twiro menya ngwiro 784 cumulatively uriona yakambe chuchingi imwe lakini cha kinyarira kugania ichitende ugatima mbeca iri itikong'ania cukuru yoro bibirio rikiakiwa omwana na deficit ya 7,000 irabatere kwithirwa akirirwo ni thirikari. You now ya murungamiri wa kiama kia NAT arimu what are you doing, what are you feeling na niki nonto education iratigirwo na nyuma that much?
Ikwega nkwenda kuga twathire